Hiya, hope you're okay. Just got back and I've had a delivery. Joannes Journals, so if you've heard of them, they do all different journals and binders and notebooks and all the inserts and whatever. And if you've seen my other videos, I've had a couple of bits from them. And they had a mystery box series 1. And I do them every now and again, apparently, these mystery drops. And there's £100 worth of stuff for £55, which some of it I think has been specifically made for this box. And so I signed up, and they were saying that over 500 people had signed up, and there was 300 boxes. So it was 8 o'clock last night. I set my alarm and managed to get one. And from what I could see, they sold out quite fast. So I'm just trying to do this so you don't see my address. So I thought I'd unbox it with you. So I haven't seen it myself yet. So I will get the packet open. I already like it. It's got bows all over the box. There you go. It's got all bows right on my street, that, isn't it? Put that there. So this is the box. That's the Cozy Moments Call, Series 001. Okay. Alright, let's have that. So the first thing... Oh. Okay. The first thing is this binder. It's in this lovely colour. They did have like a thing showing. So there you go, there's the binder inside. Nice. There you go. So I don't know what that's in there for, but anywho, that's the binder. So I think that's been specifically made. And then you've got a pen, like an autumny colour. And then you've got these little notes, all them. And then what's this? Cozy Nights. I think that's just like a divider. It says Cozy Nights. And then you've got these bunch of stickers to put in your planner, all of them. And then you've got these dividers, different ones to put between you. And then you've got notes and ideas. My challenge 30 days, it's a good one. Monthly bill tracker. There you go. What does this say? Can I read it without my glasses? That's the question. Mystery box now. That's what that says. I can't read without my glasses. But basically you'll be saying thank you, won't it? So there you go. So that is like the... So it hasn't got any of the diary things, but you've got that. The pen. And then you've got the inserts and dividers. More of these dot things, sticker things. More of them. More of them. And then let's have a quick look what this is. Does it? Are they dividers? So yeah. Oh, a divider. Cozy season. So it's that way up. Cozy season. So that's just the beginning of your journal, isn't it? So yeah, cozy moments, Paul. Your journey unfolds here. So that was all £55, which on Joannes Journals is good, isn't it? There you go, all of that. And all of them. And then that lovely binder. So there you go. And a pen. That is the Joannes Journals Mystery Box. Nice, huh? So, and then I suppose you can buy, well, you can, I don't suppose, I do like the box. You can buy the diary inserts. I've already got those in another one, so that could be, I've got a work one. That could be my personal one, couldn't it? You know, for my personal, my home stuff, my budget and all that stuff. So yeah, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, just a quick video, and I'll see you soon.